Mastering the art of conversation. Understanding pause for breath. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating English phrase, pause for breath. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also polish your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and explore the depths of this common yet profound expression. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. To pause means to stop briefly, and breath is the air taken into or expelled from the lungs. Literally, pause for breath means to stop doing something for a short period to catch one's breath. This is commonly used in physical contexts, like after running or exerting oneself, to signify a momentary rest to stabilize breathing. Interestingly, pause for breath often transcends its literal meaning. In conversations, speeches, or even in writing, it denotes taking a brief moment to gather thoughts, create suspense, or give the listener time to absorb information. For example, a speaker might pause for breath, not only to catch their breath but also to emphasize a point or to engage the audience more effectively. Understanding pause for breath also involves recognizing its social nuances. It reflects politeness, thoughtfulness, and consideration for others in a conversation. By pausing, speakers show that they value what others have to say and are willing to listen. It's a subtle yet powerful tool in effective communication. To master the art of conversation, consider these tips. Be mindful of your pacing. Don't rush. Give your words and thoughts the space they need. Use the pause for dramatic effect to emphasize your points. Observe how others use this technique. Notice the impact of a well-timed pause in speeches or conversations. Understanding and utilizing the phrase, pause for breath, can significantly enhance your communication skills. It's more than a mere expression. It's a strategy to make your conversations more engaging and effective. We hope this exploration helps you in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to pause for breath in your next conversation. See you in the next video.